Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the exercise second problem. Now we have the third problem here. The cost of 2 kgs of apple and 1 kg of grape on a day was found to be rupees 60. After month, the cost of 4 kgs of apple and 2 kgs of grapes is rupees 300. So represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So geometrically is nothing but the graphically you can represent. Okay. So as I told in the last class, so whatever they given in the statement form, that is in the English statement form, we need to convert that to the mathematical or algebraic form. Okay. Here 2 kgs of apple and 1 kg of grape on the day was found to be. So 2 kgs of apple. What is the okay? What is the cost of 1 kg of apple? Then we don't know. So we can write like this. Then let the cost price. Let the cost price CP of 1 kg of apple be x. Either you can take x or you can take y. So I'll take here x. Apple be rupees x. And similarly, they let the cost of 1 kg of grapes be rupees rupees y. Is it clear? So here in the class we can write like this only. Write all these things. Let the cost of 1 kg of apple be rupees x and the cost of 1 kg of grapes be rupees y. So now according to the question, so here according to the question, so 2 kgs of apple, that is 1 kg is x, therefore 2 kgs of apple, 2x plus 1 kg of grape, so that is 1y, or we can write simply y, which is equals to 160. So call this as equation 1 according to the first statement. Now the second statement, after a month the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg grape. So 4 kg apple, that is 4x, and plus 2 kg grapes. Yes, 2 kg 2 kg grapes, 2y, which is equals to 300. Call this as equation 2. Okay, while doing this type of problems, especially the graphs, so we need to see that whether anything is common is there in the given what is that, this equations. See here, 4x plus 2y is equal to 300 is there. Is there anything is common in this? Yes, you may see here all the numbers are divisible by 2. So if we divide it by 2, we'll get here 2x plus 1y is equals to 150. Call this as equation 2. So if don't take this as equation 2, leave it. Why I did like this? Because if you take out the common while simplifying, it become easy for us. Okay, the simplification become easy if we take out the common. So when to take the common? Every time we can take the common? No. Suppose for the first equation, can we take the common? No. Why? Because here 2x is there and here 160 is there. So both 2x and 160 are divisible by 2. But what about here? 1y is there. 1 is divisible by 2. If we divide it, you will get a decimal 0.5. So don't go for that. So if we all the terms whatever there in the given algebraic expression or algebraic equation is divisible by one number, we can take out the common. So then our simplification, while doing the simplification, it become easy for us. So keep this in mind. This is applicable to all the problems, not only this chapter. In all the problems it is applicable. If you want to take the common, the common term must be there in all the terms of the equation. Okay, so now we got the two equations. So one equation is, so 2x plus y is equals to 60. Call this as equation 1. So already I wrote here, so I'm writing neatly. So 2x plus y is equals to 150. call this as equation 2. So these two equations. Now what we should do? So in the last problem under what we did the table. So we did the table and we simplified and we got the values, right? So now take the table. So do the table. So here 2x plus y is equals to 160, and here 2x plus y is equals to 150. So from this keep the y in the left hand side and remaining thing in the right hand side. So y is equals to, then here you can write here y is equals to 160 minus 2x. Y is equals to 160 minus 2x, and here also you can write y is equals to 150 minus 2x. 150 minus 2x. Now you can write the table. That is 2 cross 4 you can take. Yes, it's enough. So you can take the 2 cross 4 table. So then, and here also 2 cross 4 table you can take. Okay, and you can give, you can keep on giving the values for this. So here x, so y, and x and y. So what values you can take here? You can take any values, but when you see the RHS it is 160. So try to take some more values, somewhat like 50, 60, 70, like that. If we take that, we'll see what we'll get. 50, 60, 70, and here also you can take 50, 60, and here 70. So then if we take here x is equals to 50 in the first case, what we'll get? Y is equals to 160 minus 2 into 50. So what we'll get? So y is equals to 160 minus 250, 2 into 50 is nothing but 100. So which is equal minus 100, so which is equals to 60. And next, so you can write here 60. So then y is equals to x is equal to 60 is there. So if we subtract 60, so what will get? 2 into 60, so that is 160 minus 120, so which is equals to 40, right? Which is equals to 40. So then 70 we took, so y is equals to 160 minus 2 into 70. So then what you'll get? You'll get 20. So that is 160 minus 2 into 70 is 140, which is equals to 20. So it is 20. Okay. So then, so this is the table. Okay. So similarly here also you can do the same. So here y is equals to 150 minus 2x. So therefore you can take the give the value. What is that? 150 minus 2 into x. X value is 50. So then what you're going to get? So 150 minus 100, which is equals to 50. Okay, 50 comma 50. So then again 60 is there. So y is equals to 150 minus 2 into 60. 60 is 120. So therefore 150 minus this is 120. Sorry, yes, 120. If we subtract 150 minus 120, this is 30. This is 30. So then, so y is equals to 150 minus 2 into 70. 2 into 70. What is 2 into 70? It is 140. So that is 150 minus 140, which is equals to 10. So this is the table 10. Is it clear? So now what we can do? We can graph this. We can do the graph for this. Okay. So if we do the graph, we'll see what we're going to get. So I'll take 10 cross 10 graph paper. Okay, this is one graph and this is one graph. I'll paste here. and no need to do this pasting and all every time, because uh, I don't have, I'm not able to scroll every time, so only I did this. So now this is x dash, this is the x dash and y dash. I wrote the axis. So now here see the maximum value. The maximum value here in the y axis is 60, and here in this y axis it is 70, and x so y value is 50 and x value is 70. So now what I will do, I'll take each division 20 20. So here it is 20, and if you can take here difference 40, so then 60, then 80, like this. And even here also 20 20, and here so 40, 60 and 80 here. So then 20, 40, 60 and here 80. So here everything here is negative, negative 20, negative 40, negative 60, like that. So then negative 20, negative 40, then negative 60, then negative 80. So now what we can do, you can plot the graphs. Okay, you can plot the graphs. You can plot. So your first equation, first 50 comma 60, x-axis 50, x-axis 50, so here 20, this is 30, this is 40, and this is 50, and here it is 60, and here it is 60. Okay, 20, this is 60. Okay, so then next 60 comma 40, 60 and here 40, 60 comma 40, and 70 comma 20, so 70 20. Okay, so now draw a straight line, draw the line. Okay, so draw this line, join these points, all the 3 points. Okay, so this is for one graph. Okay, so now similarly draw for next. So next 50 comma 50, so x-axis 50, y-axis 50, so 50 in the sense here you'll get 50 comma 50, and 60 comma 30, 60 and 30, so here you'll get. So next 70 comma 20, oh 20, no 10, 70 comma 10, so it is 70 comma 10. So draw the straight line, join the line, join the points, join the points. We'll see what you're going to get, what type of graph you want to get. So what type of graph it is? So it is parallel graphs. So the lines are parallel, it's a parallel graph. Okay, so how many solutions it has? When you do using any of the elimination, substitution, or any of the methods, so you're not going to get one solution. Why? Because so here it has no solutions for this. So when you get a straight line, you'll get infinitely many solutions. But when you got intersecting line, that is the exact points you'll get, exactly one solution you'll get. Okay, so write the scale now. What is scale? Scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to how much? 20 units, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 20 units. Okay, that's it. So yeah, and also you can locate the points here somewhat like this. What is it? 50 comma 60, 50 comma 60, and here 60 comma 40, 60 comma 40. So then 70 comma, here 70 comma 20. So like that you can plot the points, and even this side also you can plot the points. So locate the points like this. So this is a parallel graph you're going to get. If the lines are parallel, so there is no solution. Okay, so copy this in the in your graph book. So I'll assign you some homework problems, so do it. Okay, we'll see the remaining thing in the next class. Okay, now see here, write this problem, solve this problem in your classwork, sorry, in the homework book. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems, find the solution graphically. So you need to find the solution graphically. So in the sense, first you need to convert the given statement into a algebraic form, then we need to do the graph for this. So do this two problems in your homework book, I mean in the homework book, and paste the graph sheet in the homework book only. Okay, don't need to do in the graph book. So after, if to, in the next class I will discuss some solutions for this problem. Okay, I hope all of you understood today's class. If you have any doubts, so please ask me through the message, or if I am free, I'll do the call. Okay, call me through the WhatsApp or normal call. Okay, so then remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.